This is not my first time.
Lights.
Fucking hissing at me. Thank you, Craig, for saving the day. That's a lie.
That's what it's all talking, and you get.
She's coming. Good morning, everyone. It is a gorgeous day today, as you can see. Like, it's a little like cold, like I need my sweatshirt. She's coming. She's coming. I need my sweatshirt, but I don't need my puffy jacket. I didn't bring it today. I'm very nervous because I didn't leave without my puffy jacket today, but I'm having faith and believing that today I will not need it and I'll be fine. As you saw in my last video, I hurt my back. I hurt it again during this week at work. So I am very tender, very bruised, and not moving so great. So I'm going to be painting a little bit today because it's not like it's a little painting, it's nothing too strenuous. So I'm going to be taking it easy today. Some exciting news about the farm. We have these geese. Geese? Are they geese? I think so. Over in our little pond area, and the lady geese is having little chicks, which is so exciting. So she's sitting on her nest right now. I'll go and show you. It's super exciting. Craig's uncle says any day now they should be hatching. So she's so huge. I'm so excited.
That's her sitting Donia, you see.
Okay, we're not gonna touch the eggs. Look at her on her little nest.
So one of them two's a daddy.
Okay. Look at how cutie.
The little geese.
That's today. We're gonna go on our way to Plummy's again, our plumber store, and Howden's to go get a few things this morning, and a few things that the plumber needs to do everything to finish off our bathroom. And then we'll get a few things from Howden's, like some flooring. We're gonna order some flooring so we could put some flooring down in the house, because we're like getting there. We're so close and we're getting there. I'm so excited. If you all could just do me a favor and pray that I get my visa approval soon, because the sooner I get it, the sooner we can move in. So now if I could just get this cow to come over and say hello to everyone. We'll see if that happens. Hey guys, so I just finished painting my first coat on the skirting boards and the door frame and stuff, and I've been sitting by the fire. It's so nice and cozy and warm, but Craig needs my help, so upstairs I go. Okay, so we're in the bathroom. Craig has this ready to put in the, what's it called? Insulation?
No.
What's that stuff called that you put in there?
That's just the pocket doing a bit.
Oh. Okay, never mind. So we're in the bathroom and we're getting ready to put up the ceiling here, and I'm Craig's assistant.
Craig didn't think about the angle of the window. Craig didn't think about it.
Ooh.
So I've popped it through, so it's going all the way through.
He's putting up the ceiling panels. This is our ceiling panels here. They are plastic, I believe. This is how it looks. And it's a nice, easy, clean, water resistant thing like the aqua panel, but not as, you know, not the aqua panel, I guess. And we're putting them all up to the ceiling, and they're gonna look at it. Hey! So what are you doing?
Sticking it with, just
Is it the same stuff you use for the
wall. Yes.
The wall?
Yeah.
How come you use glue and not nails?
Because it's plastic.
Okay.
Brittle.
Ah. You guys, there's like a huge bee in here. Oh my gosh, look at it, so big. Oh, where's it going? I can't deal with it. I can't deal with it.
He's covered in spider webs. Where'd you go, Paul? Where'd you go?
Okay. Whew. Thank you, Craig, for saving the day.
Don't that be? He's probably more terrified of you.
Doubt that.
You like that so far? Arr.
I
Look at fucking nuts for the toss. Look at that, you can. You'll choke looking for that.
I know. Every time.
There's my top and a little.
The big one and the small one.
Small one, a big one.
Oh, they're freaking hissing at me. Hello. Hiya. Oh, look at that hiss. That's a big nest.
Oh, they're big birds.
Look at the wee ones. All right, you're running away.
Little crash for them.
They're all running away from me. Do you think they'll come closer?
No.
Poop.
The mothers were here maybe, but they're just wary.
But I'm friendly.
What's the matter?
Alright, well, I'm cold. Let's go inside. Okay, guys, so the ceiling is in. All Craig has to do is put silicone all around the edges, and then it's done. So there's our ceiling. Oh, it looks so nice. So as I said, he's just gonna put the little silicone along the edges to seal it all in. And that's it completed. Oh. Honestly, I am so happy with it. It looks so nice. So tomorrow our plumber is coming and he is plumbing in everything in here. So I'll finally have a functioning bathroom, and Craig is gonna put the flooring down as well tomorrow. And then all that will be left is to get our window done and the door fitted on. And then this room will be complete. That's a lie. I'm lying, totally telling you a lie. We have our mirrored cabinets that the Sparky needs to put together because he's going to put those shaver plugs in there. And there's a little fan also that needs to be put in there. But besides that, then it'll be all done, which is just so exciting. But by the end of tomorrow, this will be a functioning bathroom and I don't have to use that yucky one downstairs, which makes me very happy. So I will catch up with you guys in the next video. I am gonna go home now with Craig and we're gonna eat some dinner because we're starving. I think we're having burgers tonight, that or chicken enchiladas. Not sure. Thank you all again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you guys next week. Bye. Right. Hi guys, sorry it's so windy. It's the next day. Craig called me and he's like, why don't you put in the finishing thing on the bathroom in your video? So I'm sorry this video is a bit late, but it's for a good cause. We're gonna show you the finishing things of the bathroom. But really quick, I just want to show you the cows. Oh, don't go away. Here they are. Well, now they're walking away. I guess no one's gonna come say hi.
No. Bye! Food. Bye!
Oh, she's pooping. Ooh. Oh, look at them running.
Bye!
Look at them running. It's a stampede.
I think feed. All of a sudden my dad's been feeding him and shouts out. Just to get you straight in this shout like that. What?
I don't think I could do that.
What?
No.
Come on!
My voice is too little to do that.
Oh, that's how it works here for some odd reason.
Come say hi. My subscribers love you all. Come on. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen tonight, but let's go see our bathroom. All right, you guys. There's that in. I don't have my mirrored cabinets in yet, but there's that. We're gonna put some aqua panel here to cover that. We just had him to, we had to get the plumber to finish doing his thing. And we got a shower.
You found all that drill?
Sorry. It looks so nice and I'm so happy with it. Next week you should be able to see the full finished product, hopefully. We'll see how things go. But yeah, so I know I ended the vlog already, but I'll end it again. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!